Hello friends, how to create short videos on YouTube, how to make short videos on YouTube. First of all, welcome to all of you on the Tech Sanju Sai channel. If you have come for the first time on the channel, then subscribe the channel and like the video. See friends, long videos are monetized on YouTube. Similarly, now there is a monetization on short videos as well. So you should make a short videos as well. How to make short videos on YouTube? First of all, you need to create a YouTube channel. Then how to create YouTube channel? Before this, you have go to the Play Store. How to create short videos in YouTube? Before this, you have go to the Play Store. Okay friends, now go to a Play Store. Okay, click here, search box, search box. Okay, type YouTube, YouTube. Okay, and search. Click to option install. Okay, clicking on install. After you application, open YouTube application. Okay, click here YouTube. Now this screen will open in a front of you. Okay, after this screen open login with email ID. Arrive, click icon in login email ID. Okay friends, and click here and click to your channel. Okay, and click to a pencil icon. YouTube channel name, click here. Choose your YouTube channel name. Okay friends, and YouTube handle name, URL, description. Okay, and create your channel. Now below is the plus icon. Clicking on the plus icon. Okay friends, clicking and create a short videos. Okay, is to a short videos. Okay friends,